At the nanoscale, a new material takes shape. Billions of carbon nanotubes grow in perfect alignment. This dense forest absorbs virtually all light. At the microscopic level, precision is absolute. This diamond blade separates the nanotube sheet, producing a material that absorbs all light. Precision at the microscopic level. Every ampoule is filled with absolute consistency. In a world of flawless robotic synchronization,